couple here, they really have the design twists in it, and this is very pictorial. For the colouring, the shading is keep it in one direction, so directional shading, and then keep within the lines. Fantastic. You almost got pictures within a bigger picture, almost like a puzzle. So that's really innovative. So really looking towards beyond on that. And here, really punchy colours, fine lined. There's a bit of bleed here going over the line, so try not to do that. You can keep the colour dense if you like. But as you can see here, the colour's in very many directions, so it doesn't really show neatness or fine lines, so you can see the difference here in what we're expecting and what you can achieve. Sure, you're able to achieve this. We've got the colours here, and I'll set these on the table, but they must be returned. We have the fine liners, and of course, if you have a blunt pencil, you're going to sharpen it. Likewise for a regular pencil. So once your design is finished, I haven't finished here, but I do have a 5mm border. You're going to have to glue the edges of the plywood and of the pine, piece it together, and we'll wrap some masking tape around it so it holds. Okay, and for an extension task, we have this cross halving joint that it's a trinket box, so you're going to have compartments. It can be removed, so it's a dry joint, it's not glued. That's the difference. It means it's modular. If I put this together, this is one that's been done before, and place it on, and so you'll get a piece of 103mm and 83mm. It's measured. You're just gonna do half, so it's about 3 centimeters, so it's 1.5 and 1.5, and then we're going to draw the middle line across. Going to place the ruler, finger at the top, finger just here, just keep it firm, and then draw the line across. We do the same. What is it? It's about 3, so 1.5 and 1.5, and then draw finger at the top there of that ruler and bottom here, so it's flat, and then draw a line across. The width of this here across the top is 3mm, so you're just going to measure where I want to cut 3mm. So I'll draw a point, I draw that up, and then measure 3, and then draw another line up, and so that's where we're going to cut down 1, 2 lines with the coping saw. Okay, this is MDF, so where usually we'd use long full length of the blade, we're just going to use tiny strokes so the blade does not curve around. Okay, get to the middle line, and now that's like a tooth. We pull it out. I'm going to push it through. All we'll do is just use a sandpaper. It's going to help us shape to get a right angle in there, and we're just going to keep having to go to sand it until they both fit together.